This is a list of 15 exquisite excursions for wine lovers in the UK, including tours, tastings, and lessons on the winemaking process. 1. Ridgeview Wine Estate, Sussex. Known for its exceptional sparkling wines, Ridgeview offers guided tours through vineyards, cellars, and a tasting room with stunning views. 2. Chapel Down, Kent. Producing award-winning wines, Chapel Down offers tours, tastings, and experiences that provide insight into English winemaking. 3. Denbies Wine Estate, Surrey. With beautiful vineyards and panoramic views, Denbies offers guided tours, train rides, and wine tastings for a memorable experience. 4. Camel Valley Vineyard, Cornwall. Renowned for its quality sparkling wines, Camel Valley welcomes visitors for tours, tastings, and picnics amid the vineyards. 5. Hush Heath Estate, Kent. This picturesque estate offers guided tours, tastings, and a tranquil setting to enjoy their premium wines. 6. Three Quires Vineyard, Gloucestershire. With multiple locations including New End, Three Quires Vineyards offers tours, tastings, and a glimpse into their winemaking traditions. 7. Bolnay Wine Estate, West Sussex. Bolnay offers guided vineyard tours, wine tastings, and a restaurant serving locally sourced dishes. 8. Gusbourne, Kent. Renowned for its premium sparkling wines, Gusbourne provides vineyard tours and tastings in a scenic setting. 9. Hambledon Vineyard, Hampshire. The oldest commercial vineyard in England, Hambledon offers tours, tastings, and an insight into their sparkling wine production. 10. Sharpham Wine, Devon. Set on a historic estate, Sharpham offers tours, tastings, and a cheese dairy, creating a delightful pairing experience. 11. Llanerch Vineyard, Wales. Offering tours, tastings, and a bistro, Llanerch Vineyard invites visitors to enjoy Welsh wines and countryside views. 12. Llanerch Wine Estate, Dorset. With a focus on traditional methods, Llanerch offers tours and tastings in a charming rural setting. 13. Bluebell Vineyard Estates, East Sussex. Bluebell Vineyard provides tours, tastings, and an opportunity to explore their beautiful vineyards. 14. Albury Vineyard, Surrey. Albury Vineyard offers guided tours, tastings, and a chance to enjoy their organic and biodynamic wines. 15. Biddenden Vineyards, Kent. A family-run vineyard, Biddenden offers tours, tastings, and a shop featuring their diverse wine range. Do you have any wine recommendations? Tell us in the comments below.